Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.9, Problem 6.
This is Section 4.9, Problem 6. It says Wayne borrows $300 from his cousin. He agrees to pay the money back in 1 year. At 6% simple interest, how much money will Wayne pay his cousin in 1 year? So, in this section, there are two math formulas. You have to decide which one of the two you're going to use. One is for simple interest, one is for compound interest. If the question is worded well, it should be very clear which one to use. And this one says very clearly it's simple interest. So you're going to use the simple interest formula, which is I equals PRT. So I is the interest earned, or in this case, the interest owed. P is the principal or initial amount, which in this case is 300. R is the rate as a decimal. So 6% doesn't go into the formula as 6. It goes in as 0.06. That's 6% as a decimal. And then T is the time in years. So this says 1 year. So T is 1. So we have to multiply 300 times 0.06 times 1. So in this section, most teachers will allow you to use a calculator. I mean, this can obviously be multiplied by hand pretty easily. In fact, the 300, the two zeros can change that 0.06 to just a 6. So I have 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 1 is 18. So the amount of interest paid will be $18. That's not a bad deal for the convenience of borrowing $300 for a whole year. You get a whole year to pay it back. So you have to pay back the 300 plus 18 more. In fact, that's what the question asks. The answer is not 18. It's how much does he pay back altogether. So after that year goes by, Wayne has to give the 300 that he borrowed plus 18 more in interest, because the amount, that final amount, is equal to P, the principal, plus the interest. So the principal is 300 plus $18 of interest is 318. Now, if you want to do a nice job, what you can do is use a dollar symbol, because this is money, and you can do 318 and no cents like that. So at the end of the year, Wayne will give his cousin back $318.